your alphabet, right? All right, so let's start with A, capital A, right? Capital A, 2 lines, up, down, across. A, at, uppercase, lowercase, capital A, lowercase a, at, B, 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 uppercase B, capital B, and lowercase b, B, A, B, C, right? Uppercase C, lowercase c, capital C, A, B, C, A, B, K, A, B, C, D. Sometimes it's not super beautiful, huh? D, D, capital D, lowercase d, D, A, B, C, D, A, B, K, D, E, uppercase, lowercase, E, E, A, B, C, D, E, F, A, B, C, D, E, F, A, B, K, D, E, F. A, B, C, D, E, F, and then what? G, right? G, G, G. Uppercase, lowercase g, capital G, lowercase g, G. A, B, C, D, E, F, G, G, F, E, D, C, B, A, B, K, D, E, F, G, G, F, E, D, K, B, A. If you know them, you should be able to go forward or backward. A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H. We're going to skip a space, right? Capital H, capital H, lowercase h, I, capital I, lowercase I, E, J, capital J, lowercase j, J, uppercase K, capital K, lowercase k, capital L, lowercase l, L, capital M, lowercase m, All right, let's stop there. A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, I, J, K, L, M, M, L, K, J, I, H, G, F, E, D, C, B, A, B, K, D, E, F, G, H, I, J, K, U, U, K, J, I, G, F, E, D, K, B, A. All right, if you know them, you can go back or forward. Go backward or forward, M, and then N. I practice a lot too. N, capital N, lowercase n, M, N, O, capital O, 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 capital O, lowercase o, O, P, capital P, lowercase p, capital Q, lowercase q, qu, OPQ, R, capital R, lowercase r, OPQR, S, capital S, lowercase s, OPQRS, T, capital T, lowercase t. Good job. All right. A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, I, J, K, L, M, N, O, P, Q, R, S, T, T, S, R, Q, P, O, N, M, L, K, J, I, H, G, F, E, D, C, B, A. You can do like this: A, H, N, O, I, B, C, J, P, Q, K, D, E, L, R, S, M, F, G, T. You can go any direction. ถ้ารู้ทุกตัวเนาะไปนี้ไปนู้นซิกแซกแล้วแต่เนาะขึ้นลงขึ้นลงขึ้นลงถ้ารู้ทุกตัวแล้วแต่พิมพ์เล็กอาจจะเป็นแค่พิมพ์เล็กเท่านั้นรู้ทุกตัว A H N ใช่ไหมรู้พิมพ์ใหญ่ทำได้เนาะแล้วแต่ถ้ารู้ตัวพิมพ์ใหญ่พิมพ์เล็ก No matter which letters you know, if they're capital, uppercase, lowercase, you should be able to mix them up and know every letter. All right, O, P, Q, R, S, T, and then we need to skip a space. U, T, U, U, and I'm skipping a space. I'm doing this because I'm teaching you to write U, U, V, 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 capital V, lowercase v, U, V, W, 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 X, and W sound. W sound is W. X, X, two sounds, K and S, X, box, ox, and fox. X, W, X, Y, 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 and Z, Z, R, Z, right? Z, zebra, zoo. All right? In UK English, they say Z, but we say Z. All right? So let's do our ABCs. A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, I, J, K, L, M, N, O, P, Q, R, S, T, U, V, W, X, Y, Z. Z, Y, X, W, V, U, T, S, R, Q, P, O, N, M, L, K, J, I, H, G, F, E, D, C, B, A. And you can do the sounds just the same way, right? A, B, K, D, E, F, G, H, I, J, K, U, M, N, A, P, Q, R, S, T, E, V, W, X, Y, Z. And you can do them either way. You could go back. Z, Y, X, W, V, T. If you know the sounds, if you know the letters, you can go N, H, A, V, A, I, B, Once you know the sounds, you can mix them up. You can go either way. All right, the last thing we'll do are the numbers, because I see here where I work, this is a big problem because they don't know that the numbers are 2 lines tall. The capital and the numbers are the same size. 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. All right, so you got your numbers and your letters right there. All right, so 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, 0. 0, 2, 4, 6, 8. 9, 7, 5, 3, 1. If you know your numbers, you can mix the numbers up. And if you're teaching someone, you can mix the numbers. Go back and forth. You can mix the letters. When you know the vocabulary, you know the vocabulary. You know it backward and forward. All right? So there's your lesson for today about the alphabet. Dua akson, the alphabet. And the vowels are A, E, I, O, and U. The short vowel is A, E, I, O, Okay, and Y also has 3 vowel sounds as well. E, I, and E, and usually coming at the end of the word. So, here's your alphabet, here's your practice, here's your writing, all in one. Have a good day.